Have you ever stopped to wonder how powerful yet fragile our minds really are? This intricate web of thoughts, emotions, and memories, each playing a crucial role in shaping our reality. Our mental health, often overlooked, is essential to our overall well-being. It influences how we think, feel, and act in our day-to-day lives. It's the invisible force steering our decisions, our relationships, and ultimately, our happiness. So what's the real story behind mental health? Let's hear from the experts. We've gathered thoughts from leading mental health professionals to shed light on this topic. To begin with, what is mental health? According to experts, it's not merely the absence of mental disorders, but rather it entails a state of well-being in which an individual can cope with the normal stresses of life, work productively, and contribute positively to their community. Now, you might wonder, why is mental health important? As per mental health professionals, our mental well-being plays a significant role in nearly every aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our physical health. When our mental health is compromised, it can lead to a ripple effect of negative outcomes, including reduced productivity, strained relationships, and even physical health problems. So, what can be done to improve mental health? Experts suggest a multifaceted approach. Self-care, including maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep, is crucial. Additionally, seeking help when needed, whether from a trusted friend or a professional therapist, is equally important. Also, societal support plays a crucial role. This includes reducing stigma around mental health issues and ensuring access to mental health services for everyone. In essence, mental health is a complex and vast area with various factors playing into it. It's a field that requires continuous research and understanding. It's also a topic that each one of us, as individuals and as a society, needs to take seriously and care for. As we can see, mental health isn't just about the absence of mental disorders, it's about the overall well-being. The insights shared by our experts are both enlightening and thought-provoking. They emphasize the inherent importance of mental health, drawing parallels with our physical well-being. Just as we pay attention to our body's needs, our mind too requires care and nourishment. It's not a sign of weakness to seek help when things seem overwhelming. In fact, it's a testament to one's strength and self-awareness. Our experts also shed light on the collective responsibility we all share in promoting mental health. It's not just about individual struggles, it's about creating an environment where mental health discussions are normalized and support is readily available. To summarize, mental health is integral to our overall health. It's okay to ask for help, and we all have a role to play in fostering a mentally healthy society. Remember, mental health matters just as much as physical health. It's time we all start taking it seriously.